Multiplying and dividing monomials. This is a digital lesson, and it starts with explaining to the students what a monomial is. Mono means one, so it's a single term. It can be a number, it can be a variable, or it can be a product of numbers and variables. So it starts with explaining multiplication. To multiply monomials, you're going to multiply the coefficients and the variables separately. So 6x times 5y, you're going to multiply the 6 times the 5 and the x times the y, and you get 30xy. So for the first slide that the students are going to work on, they're going to do this drag and drop. So this is pretty simple. They're going to multiply the monomials, and they're going to drag the answer next to the multiplication problem. So here's 16xy, 20xy. Here we have a couple negatives, and then the final one, there are 3 monomials multiplied. So it's going to be negative 27xyz. The next slide, students are going to actually type in the answer. So after they've done the drag and drop, they're going to attempt all of these multiplication problems. And they get a little bit more difficult as they get toward the end. Then they're shown how to divide monomials. So again, we're going to divide the coefficients separately and the variables separately. So here's 6x divided by 3. All you have are the coefficients that you're going to divide, and you get 2x. This one, you're going to divide the coefficients. You're going to get negative 4. And then rs divided by r will give you just s. So again, next slide, they're going to drag and drop the answers next to the problems, and then they're going to type in the answers. Now when you get to slide 9, now you're going to start solving a riddle. So on the very last slide, you've got the riddle, are monsters good at math? So they're going to multiply or divide. They're going to type in the answer here, and then they're going to match that answer to a letter. And then on the very last slide, when they see that answer, they're going to type the letter above it. If they do it correctly, it should solve the riddle. So that is a digital lesson, multiplying and dividing monomials.